Hello, everyone. Have you ever said I am boring when you meant I am bored? Or I'm married with a doctor instead of I'm married to a doctor? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we'll go through 10 common English mistakes ESL learners make and how to fix them. Mistake number 1. Wrong prepositions. Prepositions can be tricky. Wrong. I'm interested for English. Right. I'm interested in English. We say interested in, good at, and afraid of. I'm interested in English. Mistake 2. Wrong word order in questions. English question order can be confusing. Wrong. Where I can find the station. Right. Where can I find the station? We use this pattern. Question word, where. Auxiliary, can. Subject, I, and verb, find. Where can I find the station? Mistake number 3. Confusing past and present perfect. Have you ever said this? Wrong. I have seen him yesterday. Right. I saw him yesterday. We use past simple with specific time, yesterday, last week, etc. So, I saw him yesterday. Section 2. Vocabulary mistakes. False friends. Words that look similar but have different meanings. Some words look the same in different languages but have different meanings in English. Wrong. She is very sensible. Thinking sensible means sensitive. Right. She is very sensitive. Sensible means logical, sensitive means emotional. Mistake 5. Using make and do incorrectly. Wrong. I need to do a decision. Right. I need to make a decision. Make means create and do means an action or task. So we say, I need to make a decision. Mistake number 6. Mixing up fun and funny. Wrong. The trip was so funny. Right. The trip was so fun. Funny means makes you laugh. Fun means enjoyable. Mistake 7. Confusing say and tell. Wrong. He said me that he was tired. Right. He told me that he was tired. Say is reporting words. Tell is who receives the info. So the correct way is, he told me that he was tired. Mistake number 8. Wrong. Can you borrow me a pen? Right. Can you lend me a pen? Borrow is to take temporarily, lend is to give temporarily. So we say, can you lend me a pen? Mistake number 9. Mixing up married with and married to. This is a super common mistake. Let's clear it up. Wrong. She is married with a doctor. Right. She is married to a doctor. Use married to when talking about your spouse. Mistake number 10. Incorrect use of look forward to. Did you know look forward to must be followed by a noun or a verb in ing form? Wrong. I am looking forward to meet you. Right. I am looking forward to meeting you. Look forward to with noun or ing verb. Now it's time for bonus round, mini quiz.